But Tim, this is it from us. And, really from the bottom of my heart, you preceded so many of us. And I'm thankful that Mkhari gave you this opportunity to close it off on one of the youngest but brightest radio stations this country's ever seen. And for those of you who are surprised thinking, Kaya and Power, there's space for more black radio stations. And we should be cooperating as black people to get this money.
Well, Bob, and again, thanks for your generosity allowing us on your show. And it's taken you long. I said, can I please borrow 10% of your listeners? I've been begging the whole time. Now, only late in the game, you're lending me the entire 100% of your listeners for this short time. But I appreciate your gesture. Thank you very much, Bob.
Absolute pleasure.
Mabena, thank you so much. Kuli, thank you so much. To the car listeners, thank you, family. And once again, we'll
nice.
And thank you, Given, for all your wonderful words, and thank you very much for the wonderful work you're doing at Power FM.
Yeah. Thank
all
you very much.
For you to going forward.
Thank you very much, Bakusi. Qu'est-ce qu'on
yazi ngaba bobratim abekho ngabo babukosi ngabe ayikho lento esiyenza eradweni.
Yeah,
truth be told ngaba sinayile opportunity ukuthi sihlale lana siringa ijeje bese siyaphuma siyavaya. Mase siringa ijeje ayikho lento esiyenza la Friday. Lesenza la Friday ayikho. Ngoba mkhosi yamuzwa umkhosi makhuluma ukuthi unephepha phambi kwakhe. Ubratim uyavaya. Inkalakatha ayihambi la phambi kwami. Into eyenzayo ithola abantwana ke akadlali lo. Langahambi ke into ezenza hlala asematernity ward lo.
Hayi sikuba
Ke la bathi Bobby. Buyile nkalakatha.
Turn his mic off, man. Hayi sikuba. Hayi.
Umbona sothi stop faka lento senhloko le. Asmile ngathi uthi makaqeda nyamphinda. Happily happy. #happily happy. La mntana bathi ubuthola ubunzima kulo baba. Thibulisa babukhosi bayehleli phansi bafunda amaphepho. Ubratim ukhathela uthi ahead enough. Bob utanginto. Bob Wilson Pinkot. Sound stuff like. Papa, cabanga Bob. Unomntwana una 1 week. And understand, 1 week. Bob 1 week, 7 days. Bob 7. Ikaba kana imisa. This point ka Bob na fully 3 jokes.
Higher traffic.
I actually hate you. I don't know.
Upolo nomntana se England, uBob nomntana 7 days. 7 days lalela nje. Umntana baba kuzothi makathi baba sesikolweni uBob uzothi anya. Hey, semholweni nami. Adala.
Miracles are good. All right.
Laba pass uyazwenzeni. Kumele ngaphana outing ilolo. Outing ilolo. Asile pass outing. Yelibona lahle. Kaze lishaya ubani. Kaze lishaya ubani le pass. Sele zathela kanje. 8 cars. Abantu bajima ababhizi nemikhaba. Baza kadla ngaphandle bathi itsana amafutha umuntu awayo lawo. And I. Yazi uthini akaligijimisa uthi bekuyimela. Ubani drive bazathi akekho lishayile lizambele. Linedlozi. Ebhasi linedlobelo zambele. 8 cars. Yazi wenzeni maqedwe ungene kwelinye ibhasi ucubeka la isakhe. Lebhasi machayisa lekari belinabantu phakathi. Bele empty.
Yeah,
yebo bekaziluka.
Akere copy la depo chances are he was touching his root.
Outing ilifudumeza. Angiyazi amazulu thanda outing ilifudumeza. Sa update status ku WhatsApp. Kuzofika ke namhlanje. #kudlu.
Kaya FM
95.9. It is 8:25 on Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. How was your week, Skumbi?
Brother, we had a tough week. My mom was admitted at the hospital on Monday.
Oh no, man.
No, yeah, I was hospital. Yeah, but we are sick. I am a grand, though.
Okay.
Yeah, we let you 2 grand. Being sharing him queries or one cautious pill. One was to pay to him. Abalungu baphatha into eziserious niphethwe yimba mathi athi sibindi sakhe angazi sina ngathi on a liver transplant on a liver unkoshile take him hamba la hamba ngathi liver la ma liver asingikhale sibindi naso ke naso manje sibindi akasathi sidle sibindi bathi iliver yakhe ayikho right ngathi mama uphuze mama makaphuze akabe maruna liver transplant.
Oh, hold on.
Animameli
honorable member.
Instrument nje zosetshenziswa benyanisike lomfana kaZibi uthi aniphatheki niyasetshenziswa nje.
Honorable member,
imali abanifuna sinixelele.
Honorable member, this is contempt of the first order.
Have you seen how grumpy Holomisa is lately?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Animameli nizi instruments. Beka ngesilungu singabi khona amaxhosa nesilungu. Funa ngisibe khona somewhere. Nizi instrument kwede nizi instrument. Utsho bandi harafu. Uyihariki. Walwa nizi hariki. Nasetshenziswa. Ubaba lo baba uTeddy Prapop. Uhlala ngathi ayikho into wrong eyenzakalayo.
Yeah.
Ene lalela uhlala ungacela kwabula. Bamtshela indaba zakho uhleli la icela lokubhe out in tweet. Lol. Instruments. Really? No baba akathatha ni serious. Laba bangathatha country serious Joe, like country right now kuyaliwa abantu babizwa nge instrument abantu babizwa ngama rabishi kodwa yena uhleli uthi awuke ngibone sendele umuntu wakhe SMS uthi siyapi next week siya launch uJulius omunye na uJulius udela ngathi unento ayibhema la mntwana naye man.
Are you serious though?
The Honorable Malema. Honorable members, can I ask that even when you are heckling, which you are allowed to do, please don't drown the speaker.
My time. Mr. Zupta, your legacy can be summed up into 3 things. Mushini Wam, Nkandla, Guptas. And I'm leaving. I can't sit here to debate what you presented here because you are not a legitimate president. Bye-bye.
Yazi usiba bayikuba ngathi bayi tripping. Ukubona bathi bye bye angitona mali trip siyahamba ke senze ithapseni nabantu bethu sala wena amara bengidlala bye bye uJulius ufana nama comrades selection akudala akana order ama comrades akudala selection bro bohlala nabilanga lonke the whole day uhleli naye besenta mama ewe comrades ne meeting ya I report back eBitor utsho I report back ngoba behleli naye the whole day akuna WhatsApp ukudala akuna SMS athi I report back ithi whereby sakhuluma namagaba amakhulu abo whereby know what you call abo mama balelizana makathi you see the whereby asifuna next lama comrades akudala uJulius Joe uJulius yahlupha lo mntwana yo lo mntwana uyadelela athi ubheka ubaba athi bye bye uTeddy wathi bye bye hambani nesixhopha ngalento ezibovu hamba uJulius usiqoshile asamqoshi manje sakakhuluma lento afuna ukuyikhuluma bese yaphuma yahamba nabombuyiseni indlozi abagamanga abosivambo labantwana yazini ngathi yazina aboJulius ngathi bayeke lesikolo lesi sabantu amakhanda abangasebenzi ngathi hamba kahle pretty boy hamba kahle pretty boy asizofuna umuntu abadala wathi kuyadala kule obhekwa bathi sala kahle pretty boy ubaba naye ngalenhloko yakhe chrome lokuthi hambana hamba kahle pretty.
What a week. But Holomisa really did.
Yasetshenziswa. Nani yazazi lokushini anilala ngendlini izolo yasetshenziswa.
Animameli
Wena ungamameli, honorable member.
Mr. Zupta, your legacy can be summed up into 3 things. Mushini wam, Nkandla, Guptas. And I'm leaving. I can't sit here to debate what you presented here because you are not a legitimate president. Bye-bye. This is the man who knowingly had sex with an HIV positive woman and later explained to court that shower will lessen the chances of contracting HIV. We are now a laughing stock of the world. This was another sign shown to us that you are incapable of becoming a president, but we ignored that.
All right, it's 8:40 on Kaya FM.
Bro, we can't act like that. That is just normal. Yes. Lo mntana uqeda ukhipha wonke ama-secret emhlabeni. Nalaba bebangazuba buke wenzani. Yena uye lo. Ningamkhohlwa. Wathi ngiyageza manje. Umzula athi lo mntwana, athi yeah, I got a call from Balula from the mountains.
Yes.
Ngazibuza ukuthi kusho ukuthi eTranskei Goli kune network entabeni. Abambalula ababhizi ngapha fanele ngabe bayenza into ezamadoda. Hayi umuntu use WhatsApp. Next, akuzomnye. Yes, andisabhizi.
Xakekile.
Faka ikhalamine, akafanga ikhalamine. Ufaka ikhalamine ngapha ubhizi yawo ke ngitshela lo baba ukuthi, "Miyekeleni." Bakhe baba secret manje balwa bodwa. Yazi abantu babhila kwenzakalani? Balwa bodwa. Lo mntana ukhipha yazi uJulius ufana lo mngani lo makasekadinekile bese akhuluma wonke ama-secret. uJulius udela babona udela ubaba ngathi yabona malume ophuzayo. Enaza kanina nixlekile nemdelelo. Samson hayi. Ungazophuza kanje. Hawu, udlele sinkosi abantwana nepaloni. Ukabona mangasebenzi kini abakuthatha serious lalela lapho. Mangasebenzi bathi hawu, sohlule kokubasa. Sohlule ukubasa Samson. Niyadla imini yonke nabangani bakho. Niyafraya la endlini. Uhlule nje ukuthi uSamson akhipa vele. Vele ngithanda vele. Kumanje ubaba ushiyele le moto lela ngaphandle angidrive mina. Ingena black Samson. Angidrive ngoba ngisibotha. Vele ngibothokele bhekana umlomo umyalanga vele. Wena mathiniso wakrape lezansi Yibo bakabagwaza la ku-right. NguSamson Dilale Samson Dilale. Khona manje ngidla ipaloni ngifela ipaloni.
Asikhuphe.
Ukhipha yonke into ekhona nje. Yonke into vele mama isho ukuthi ubani ubabami. Awuthi wena wahlatshwayo lo wheelchair. Wathi Samson. Hayi athi vele angibasanga ke. Khulumani ngokubasa siboneni ke. Hawu, lo busy. Hawu, ishona ukuthi lona ukuthi unjani. Hawu, awuthi uyakhula batshele. Batshele ukuthi upositive. Hawu, siloku busy with Samson ngilanda ama-ARV ngoba lo akakhona ukuzambela. Sengwrong man. Samson wrong. Mama kabasanga. Ngifuna ukubasa. Ngibasela yena lo ukuthi ahlala kule stop angithi uyagodola. Vele ngamane ngife ke Samson athi ngamane ngife futhi baba ishona ukuthi baba nambulala ishona ukuthi baba ubulawe yini mama isho ukuthi baba ubulawe yini hawu woba ngithumba alphirima ngithi
all because of ubasa
angibasanga okay angibasanga sikhulumi ngokubasa ke alphirima ngamthela ubaba wathi ngimthelela ubaba sambheka ubaba busy akhameka ebusuku wathi sikhuluma manga sithi ubaba uzibulela namanga mama isho wonke umuntu akasakhuluma manje sekayibibitheka Samson yazi vele ngibasanga vele ngishoni ngeke ngokubasa manje bese ngina umntana kaBaba Samson lo sebenzayo lo bamthandayo bonke yangena intandokazi ke ngena ngithi ngibasanga ubasile wena sikutshela zakho nawe ke isho umfazi wakho lo ohlala naye manje akazi uke washada wena Zangu divorce. Samson.
#Samson.
Akabasanga.
Ngifela ukubasa ngithi. phela basebenza bakuthatha serious bangasebenzi baqonde engqondo akayisebenzi
Yeah.
but how Samson sanihlele imini yonke sanihlele nje ukubasa kokubasa hayi Samson ni useless 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 ushubhe kumama useless gogo uyathula bathi ngi-useless gogo isho manje uri ngizosho mina Samson into sesixoxe mina nawe kale kade isho nami ngiyasho manje angithi ngisilesa ngiprotect isho gogo ukuthi ukwenzakaleni la emini isho ukuthi wena nomfundisi nenzani
Higher traffic.
isho ukuthi wena nomfundisi madonsela nenzani mandlela bo Brook Benton la emini lokuthi baby girl nithi ngikade abantu estratini ngithi ngisuka lapho ngibasile mangibuya wonke umuntu ujulukile la endlini umfundisi ukhololo sohlelile ibhanti lakhe zelishwabene lishwabelisa yini ibhanti lakhe asikhulume ngebhanti lakhe umfundisi Samson ukwatshela ukuthi akabasanga
#Samson.
Samson.
vele gogo emini nokuthi nongivusa untatha kusa wena nihambe la gogo la nithi sinyothela amanzi lapha kuleyandlu Samson vele futhi kunemfelo la endlini
Well, it's Kabi, where are you heading off to? #Simpson. Your last words on Simpson.
No, about Samson. Udlala go back to the old school.
Yes.
Athanda ingoma zala zimnani ingoma za old school. Abo inasida ingoma zakhona ilezi bekuneyitokfele kazi. Ngobona and aba bakazi they encourage violence. Istokfela lokusheni. Okay, bro. You know ukuthi well istokfela vele into zakuyile la. It's not like lento ngizokhuluma ngayo manje yes. That's why kule line up lena and abantu abadala.
There's Ash Junior, who's 3 years old.
Wow, lamntana ngicela sikhuluma ngaye next week. Lamntana DJ, ngifuna sikhuluma ngaye next week. Lamntana na 3 DJ.
Ungamzondi kodwa
Umntana muna 5 Jo. Umntana muna 5 akakwazi control i-remote. Lo yena ukwazi ukumixa. Kungadlalwa ngathi lana. Lamntana wenze lo black coffee mix athi banike. Lamntana na 3 bro. Une gig. Awuna gig le weekend. I'm off to Sun City, bro.
Off to Sun City?
Yeah,
corporate?
No, yeah, corporate nyana. No sister yenza something kamala yudoli. You can tell ukuthi mdala. Ngoba ngeke uyesibhedlela namhlanje uthi, "Hey, ngithola umntwana ubani kamnyama udola."
True.
Mawuna udoli 45 hawa azizi. We are back to the old school. Ngisakutshela kalo mama laba abayenza ukuthi abantu babulalane bro. Babagwazana kwakhe khale ngoma lezi. Lezi so. Yizo. Mabagwazana akabakhuza ukuthi mandla noSipho ngicela ukugwazana ngaphandle bese niyabuya. Akabuyos alela jo. Dala abantu bakudala bani crash elimini lihlweni indleba yikho ile ngoma ezinje bagwazana ngamabhodlela abamanje umuntu umvesa ngespeed kharab uzobathi attempted murder.
Have a nice weekend, Scooby.
So, Bob, by the way, next week is London wrap up, and then to my 1-man show with Bank. But thank you very much.
Can you give us a link to close this song? This is Zulba. Yeah.
Real love.